In this Faceless digital marketing tutorial for beginners video, I'm going to be diving into the foundations of what Faceless digital marketing is, the benefits of Faceless digital marketing, how to start a Faceless digital marketing business, whether or not you can make money with Faceless digital marketing, and if Faceless digital marketing is actually worth it for you. So if you're on the fence about diving headfirst into the Faceless digital marketing industry, keep watching so you can decide whether or not this is something you'd be interested in creating. There's no doubt that there are a lot of Faceless Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts accounts popping up in recent months, with most of them having the goal of making money online. However, this kind of marketing has been around for years. It's not until recently that the trend has taken off on Instagram, with hundreds of accounts proudly shouting that they are Faceless digital marketers. While these kinds of accounts can do very well, there are a few caveats or disclaimers to mention if making money is the goal from your Faceless account, which I'll get into later in this video. So what is Faceless digital marketing? Faceless digital marketing is simply the practice of marketing a business or a brand without having a face to the brand. But in recent months, it has become more than that. This could be around a specific hobby or niche, including travel, cooking, gaming, personal development, pets, and drawing accounts. Some standout Faceless accounts for me include Nicole Sutherland, which is a travel Instagram account whose videos are totally faceless, however keeps her face in her profile picture to add an element of connection. I love Third Eye Thirst, which is a quote-based account, So Yummy, which is a foodie-based account, and All About Vegas, which shares the latest news and updates going on in the Vegas area. However, thanks to the rise of a popular master resale rights trend that I'll save for another video, Faceless digital marketing has a whole new meaning. Nowadays, Faceless digital marketing typically refers to a specific group of people who have bought a digital course teaching Faceless marketing and now are reselling that same program. Some of these kinds of accounts include pages such as the Faceless Method, who has hundreds and thousands of followers, and Shy Girl Money, who you can see follows a specific theme in her videos and content. But that shouldn't deter you from starting a Faceless account in a different niche that resonates to you. All in all, Faceless digital marketing can be effective in creating a broad and consistent message, but may lack the personal touch that comes with more direct human interaction. The choice between Faceless and more personalized marketing strategies often do depend on the goals and nature of the brand or campaign. While there are numerous benefits, which I'll outline in a moment, the main benefits of having a Faceless account is that it allows introverts who feel like they have a message or story to share with the world simply the opportunity to still be able to do that without the pressure of needing to show their face. Showing your face can be scary for some, but with this new phenomenon, it's possible to create a living still doing what you love. Another great benefit for some is that you can keep your personal life somewhat off social media if privacy is a big thing for you. While in some Faceless digital marketing strategies, sharing your story to inspire your audience might be necessary to build trust, you don't have to go so in depth with showing your room or where you live per se, which for some is a top priority to keep private. Other benefits include is that it's way more cost effective than having to constantly be camera ready or be shooting talking head videos, because now depending on what niche that you're in, there are a ton of stock video websites offering a bunch of stock video footage in a variety of niches and styles. I'll actually be making another video in depth of how to make these kinds of Faceless videos soon, so be sure to be subscribed to the channel, but for now I've linked a few of my favorite stock video websites in the description below for you to check out. While there are so many benefits to Faceless digital marketing, one last thing I'll mention is scalability. Now, without needing the need for a personal brand, businesses can scale faster, allowing the brand itself to take center stage. In order to make a Faceless account work, whether it be on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts, you will need a few key elements to keep in mind when doing so. The first one being is you will need to niche down. You want to be so clear and so specific as to what a viewer is coming to your page for, and you want to choose a niche where content can thrive without a personal brand attached to it. Again, this can work for numerous industries such as gaming, cooking, travel, books, hobbies, pets, or even evergreen topics or educational and motivational content. While picking your niche, you will also want to understand the audience for whom you're creating this content for. Really understand what their pain points are, what they might be struggling with, why they need the content that you offer, and use that information to create the most valuable based content possible. Next, you want to pick a style of video content. There are numerous styles that you can choose from that can help you remain faceless, so long as you remain consistent with the one style that you go for when creating your content. Some of these styles include the use of stock videos, like I mentioned before, which you can check out in the description below. You can even create your own set of B-roll around the house. You can utilize prop style videos where props are the focal point in your videos. You can use screen recordings, which could work work well for tutorial and educational niches or gaming niches. You can create quote or graphic content, voiceover style videos, or even reshare/meme type of content. However, the reshare and meme content isn't as successful right now, particularly on Instagram, because that platform is really focused on pushing out original content. Once you've picked a video style, you want to create the highest quality content possible. And this can be done through utilizing platforms such as Canva, CapCut, or Submagic to produce professional grade content. You want to ensure that the quality is top notch and that you're focusing on quality over quantity, and really take your time with planning out your content. The content you create should fall under 4 content pillars, which is either educational, entertaining, inspirational, or relatable to encourage the viewer to watch your video all the way through. Once you've decided on your style, you'll also want to consider your content strategy and your posting frequency. Certain platforms will require a certain number of pieces of content in order to grow. Like for example, on Instagram, it seems like the more you post, usually about 5 times a week, is what the platform likes and often rewards. But if you can only consistently post 3 times a week, ensure that's the commitment that you can make and stick to it. When you've posted your videos to your page, you will want to also engage to grow. Now you can engage with your audience through comments, shares, and direct messages to foster community growth, all while keeping your identity hidden. As you grow, you also want to study what is working for other accounts. So it's really wise to actually look at other accounts and ask yourself, what gets you to stop scrolling to watch their content, and implement these same strategies into your content as well. It's also super useful to regularly review analytics to understand what's working and refine your strategy accordingly. Tools like Google Analytics and social media insights are super invaluable. Can you make money with faceless digital marketing? And if so, how to monetize faceless marketing? From what I've seen and studied, you can certainly make money as a faceless marketer, but you might make more by showing your face. But you might be wondering, how exactly is a faceless account making money? Well, this comes down to strategy and working backwards. So while money should never really be the first goal in faceless digital marketing, honestly, community and building a group of like-minded people really should be at the forefront. You should also start with the end in mind of how you'd like to eventually monetize. You can monetize in various ways, whether it's selling courses, digital products, or offering premium content or high-ticket offerings such as marketing coaching, coding tutorials, or wellness coaching. It's helpful to see what other accounts within your niche are doing to just get some ideas going, so eventually you can sell something to your audience. Now, if you want some ideas on digital products, you can also check out my video about digital products in the description below. When it comes to the master resale crowd, they already have a done-for-you product that they can resell from day one. However, they do need to build a community like any faceless account from the ground up. Now, if your goal is to make money with the master resale rights from a faceless marketing course, you'll also need to ask yourself how realistic and sustainable that might be for you. Is faceless digital marketing worth it? Like anything, faceless marketing can work and be worth it, but not always. Marketing a business without showing a face behind the brand can work incredibly well in some circumstances when you can build a brand around people's interests or identity without exposing your own. I personally believe that anything that you do in life comes down to your heart, intention, deeper why, and integrity. And if your heart is in the right place, mixed with dedication, commitment, and strategy, it'll be worth it in the end. When it comes to the new wave of faceless digital marketers, it does look like from the outside that it does work, but just be sure to tread with caution when it comes to these accounts, as their vanity metrics often do look like engagement pods of other accounts trying to do the same thing, and seem not as genuine when it comes to the level of success with their accounts. As digital privacy concerns grow and the market becomes increasingly saturated with personal brands, faceless digital marketing is a great option to those as well as the introverts who want to still make their mark on the world. Faceless marketing really challenges one to innovate, focusing purely on content quality and audience engagement and not on your own personality. For creators who always felt that showing and promoting themselves just isn't their path, this is a great way to build a business on social media. By focusing on quality content and strategic online engagement, creators can carve out their niches without the need for a personal brand. If you found this video useful, remember to like, subscribe, and share with a creator or brand with whom you think this could really help. And be sure to stay tuned for more videos coming out all about faceless digital marketing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.